Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lum. We'll get another stock here for you. This is coming off of an IPO, and the stock is CJMB. They're in a pretty hot sector, technology sector, software application. Got some price squeezes going on here, and I'll break this down in a second. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside the box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahnatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Also, the market rating is still an E+ market, still kind of treacherous until we get through some more moving averages, but starting to improve a little bit. Price on the Dow Jones 30 just got above a 35 in May today, so we're seeing some positive action, but we still have some cycle lines to work through, but be cautious on that. If you want more information on the market rating, go to bigkahnatradingclub.club/market-rating. Okay, breaking down the cycles here, we got a pretty clear price squeeze coming in off this IPO. Seems to like that $3 plus PPP zone. You also have a $5 PPP zone right here. You got a 750 up here it can take out and continue running up. Typically these IPOs operate off of a TM5 or TY1 cycle, which is the 1.5, actually 12 to 15 month or the 1.5 year. So hypothetically this could get over here and spend months getting to that TM5 cycle. But I like the action down here. It may surprise us. It may actually perform in these shorter term cycles. So right now we're going to go with what we see, which is a TD-6 cycle was the first line, and then you got a TM1 cycle where the basically had higher lows than that first cycle low. And so the next cycle is a TD-9. It's a 2.5 month cycle, and it looks like we're going to get a price squeeze off of that. I'm pretty sure we're going to hold close to that $5 area and head back out of that trend line. So once we get above there, we'll get more information, but so far looking pretty good. You know, typically even on IPOs we like to look for a 6-month high, but again we got very good quality price action, strong PPP zones, so I like the price action so far on this. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahnatradingclub.club/lingo. Now, as far as price targets on this, I would just look for the base BMI to be repeated. If you have one BMI in the base on this, once you get outside of that base, that would be 16 bucks, would be 100%. It's actually a little bit over, let me see right here, actually right at one BMI. So if it went to 16 bucks, it would be 200% gain from here. Again, it could be a short run, or it could be an extended IPO cycle run off the TM5 cycle, which that again could be potentially another year out. So just be aware of that. If you don't get action pretty soon out of this, it could be an extended hold on it. And you know, also one thing to look at is the PBC zone. Let's say you get a breakout right here and you get a quality PBC zone. Let's say it kisses 10 bucks, pulls back, TSS's, pulls back to 9. You can oftentimes take one BMI out of the PBC zone, or sometimes 2 BMI. You got no overhead supply back here. You got quality price action. You got a good sector. I would not be surprised to see a PBC zone breakout of 200%. So, and this seems to be where it might want to target on the first wave out. 10 bucks, and then 2 BMI off of that might be 30 bucks. If you're in at 5 bucks right here, it could be a 500% gain off of that. So 500 or 600%, depending how you calculate it. So anyway, looking pretty good. Again, the stock is CJMB Callan JMB Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video.